All right, let's look at the specific grounds of your appeal now. Considering the fact that the prosecution presented evidences of violent secessionist, according to them, violent secessionist broadcast of Nnamdi Kanu. So how are you going to knock off these terrorism charges in the appeal court?
For the fact that you did not give the defendant the power, the opportunity to present his final written address, which you, in your judgment, say that you are going to allow parties to address whatever issues they have with evidence in their final written address, which the Constitution gave him the power to file. You now, on your own, and foreclose them that right. That particular judgment is date on arrival. No panel support that particular judgment. It must be set aside. You are asking me grounds. I don't want to go into. I'm just only that one. Only that one. Because on my own, what we are doing is that a lot of people are interested. A lot of people, including judges. Mr. Vito, if I tell you how many judges that have called me, both serving and retired, that have called me, and they were vibrating. They were vibrating. Judges of this country, both those that are serving and retired, because the thing is against the judiciary of Nigeria, and they need to be taken serious. We are professors of laws, people. In fact, one sent me this from Oklahoma. If you see that grant, he sent the grants to me, because the judgment is on a public space. People, are you know what I'm saying? When you even those who have one or two things against Mazen and the Kanu, they have decided to come into this matter. They say, no, this is the worst of it. This is the worst of it. Do you get what I'm saying? So the grants is not something that I will come here, but I have just give you one. That one is for laymen. How can you ask somebody not to file his final written address? Where the section 36 of the Constitution said that anybody who is charged with needed adequate time and facility. Then section 2194 or thereabouts of the Constitution that gave him the power to file final written address on your own. The judge, you exercise your power to foreclose them their right of final written address. That's why Nnamdi Kanu is calling it a shrine of injustice. It's not good now. You don't do it. And the earlier we condemn this thing, the better for us.
Suddenly, we've seen a rush of people talking about political solutions. Are you seeing any prospect of amnesty for him?
He will not take it.
Why?
Nnamdi Kanu will not take it. You give amnesty to a criminal, somebody who committed a crime. Nnamdi Kanu is not. He won't take it.
So if you give an opportunity now, he won't take
it. Don't even try to mention it. Because when I tried to mention it on Sunday, and his reaction to me, the way he even turned our eyes, he's not that kind of person. Nnamdi Kanu is not that kind. Nnamdi Kanu is well punished, and he's committed is what he's doing. Do you get what I'm saying? Because one, people are looking at him. Do you get what I'm saying? Because once you say that you're a freedom fighter, there's some price you needed to pay. Do you get what I'm saying? There's some price you needed to pay. You should be committed in what you are doing. Nobody lives forever. No government stands forever. So anything you leave, look at how Abacha died. Yes, Abacha died. Nigerians were jubilating. Am I right? Yes. What's the name? Look at Buhari that died the other day in Daura. People were jubilating that their own son died, who was the president. But when Yaradua died, people were crying. In this country, when Yaradua died, people were crying. So what are we talking about? So anything you are doing, remember tomorrow. Anything you are doing, remember your children. Anything you are doing, remember your family. Remember your in-laws. Remember that those who believe in you. Because when you are moving, you are not moving alone. You consider your wife, you consider your in-laws, you consider your siblings, you consider your father, you consider the name. Your name. God will not allow anybody, members of the public, to make me as a prayer point.
Let's wrap up this way. If you are to speak to President Tinubu today or to speak to the Nigerian government, what will you say to him or the government, pointedly?
He should first of all apologize to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Should apologize.
Yes, to him. And now exercise that right of pardon with the condition that with the apology. But if it is giving him pardon with a condition, giving him pardon as a criminal, just like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is telling me, to come out is one thing. The process of you coming out matters a lot. I don't know whether you're getting what I'm saying, sir. I hear what I'm saying. So you can now see the kind of love the Igbos have for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I am telling you, you will not believe it. From my second primary school people, from my secondary school set, from my university set, from my kindred, from people that I have forgotten. They will call me, Maxwell, I'm this person. They will introduce themselves. Please, what is happening? I'm just telling you, I've never seen that kind of love in my life. I've never seen that kind of love in my life. Or in Sokoto, the Holy Igbos, on Sunday, the Holy Igbos troop to the Sokoto Correctional Center to go and visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm just telling you, I've never seen that kind of love. From the airport, when they came to carry me, the Igbos love him. I'm not saying that all those, there are some, I'm talking about genuine Igbo people, not all those ones that has one blood or the other that living in Igbo land. I'm talking about the real Igbo. Anybody who is Igbo, I mean Igbo, Mr. Victor, I don't know what I'm, there are some people that will be here, there's people that will be living in your area. They are not your blood, but they are answering your destiny. No Igbo that was able to sleep since that day. This thing happened up to now. Aged people, young men, people that matters. They love him and they know that he's not a criminal, he's not a terrorist. In fact, the judge even knows that he's not a terrorist. The prosecutor knows that he's not a terrorist. They felt that he's arrogant. Let's deal with him. That's just it. And I can say it anywhere.